These days we are surrounded by all kinds of negative news and negative things like coronavirus, politics, unemployment, and the things that is happening on the street. And all these things ended up to stress, anxiety, depression, oversleeping or insomnia, overeating, obesity, or not eating enough, and many other problems. Today I want to talk about the reason for this stuff and why we are suffering from all these psychological problems. In our brain we have a section that is called subconscious mind. Subconscious mind records everything that is happening or happened in our life from the childhood to now. Everything that has some kind of effect on our emotion or on our body, or something that has some kinds of effect on our body or our mind. These are all saved in a section in the brain is called subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is a kind of the police of our body. Its job is to keep us safe and secure. Whenever something happens that is similar to something that happened previously in our life, the subconscious mind tries to send warning, all kinds of warnings to warn us about the danger. Subconscious mind doesn't understand and doesn't recognize and doesn't differentiate between the imminent and real threat and something that is not imminent and real threat. For example, politics or war somewhere in the world, it doesn't have any effect on our life, or doesn't have really much effect on our life. But because we read the news or we listen to news or we watch the news, our subconscious mind see it and recognize it as a threat and keep sending us warning, warning, warning. Now we are really facing some threat like coronavirus, and subconscious mind is right to send some warning message. This warning message comes in the form of emotion like anxiety, depression, like all kinds of emotion. Subconscious mind wants to save us from the danger, from anything that may happen. That's why it keeps sending us this warning message. Let me give you an example. Believe it or not, listening to bad news or watching the bad news has an addiction. It's kind of addiction. You know, when we keep watching or listening to these things, we get addicted to this bad news. Let me give you an example. Imagine you figured out or you noticed that there is a snake in your house, or someone told you that there is a snake in your house. What would be your reaction to this news, to this notice that there is a snake in your house? Probably you will pay attention to everything, every single noise here and there. You watch everywhere, every day, every minute, to make sure where is the snake, to make sure the snake it doesn't have any threat to you and your family. Listening and watching and pay attention to the news is exactly the same. Those news try to tell you that there is a snake in your house, and it keeps warning you. So your subconscious keep warning you, keep sending you warning message. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Stress, anxiety, depression, overeating, restless. The subconscious mind wants to protect you against these snakes in your house, or this news. The news and the bad news and everything that is happening in the media, they try to warn you, they try to convince you that there is something, that there is a threat to you and your family. What happens when you have fun, when you laugh, when you have some kind of entertainment, when you are laughing? The immediate effect of the laughing and fun and entertainment to the subconscious mind and to the mind is, looks, everything is fine because you are laughing. You are enjoying your time. And that means everything is fine. There is no threat. There is no immediate threat. There is nothing that's threat your life. What's happened? Subconscious mind stops sending the warning message. There is no warning message at all. As you may notice, when you are listening to a joke, when you have fun, when you are watching this comedy movie or stand-up comedy or something like that, you don't think on anything. Your mind is kind of blank and just paying attention 100% to those comedy or laughing or whatever is happening around you. That is a signal to the subconscious mind and to the brain that everything is fine, please don't bother me, I'm good. And that's why laughing, enjoyment, fun is like a kind of resetting your mind. When you have those conditions, it's kind of resetting your mind. It's just blank your mind for the time you are having fun or you're laughing. And that is something like a meditation, a deep, relaxing meditation, something that wants to dissociate you from the real life. Fun, enjoyment, laugh, dissociate you from your real life. And something other than that, laugh and enjoyment and fun and especially joke, not only dissociate you from the real life, it triggers the body to secrete and produce some endorphin. Endorphin is some kind of morphine, the natural morphine in the body, which is painkiller and has a kind of euphoric effect on the body. If you notice, when you have fun, when you are with your friend, when you are laughing, when you're talking joke and so on, so you have a kind of relaxing, euphoric. And if you notice, even if you already had some kind of pain, you don't feel the pain much. If you cannot do meditation, a relaxing meditation, try to laugh, try to learn some joke, try to make your kind of entertainment communication, try to have fun. Find friends or family member who you can talk and have fun. Don't talk about the real things, don't talk about the news. Try to laugh for whatever, watch the movie or stand-up comedy or something that brings some smile and laugh on your face. In the situation like now that there are too much stress and too much anxiety everywhere because of all these things that surrounded us, try to laugh, try to learn jokes, try to watch some kind of entertainment, stand-up comedy, comedy movie or whatever. Try to do those stuff. Those dissociate your mind from the real life, from the anxiety and stress for a moment or so. It's just like a deep, relaxing meditation. It really resets your mind for specifically if you want to make a decision, if you want to do something very important. This relaxing moment, meditation and endorphin and euphoric and energy that you get from this laughing and fun help you to make better decisions.